If you're looking for information on the Peasy Sales Lifetime Deal and Review, you've come to the right place. The Peasy Sales Lifetime Deal was launched on AppSumo with a significant discount, and in this video, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about the Peasy Sales Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Build no-code, multi-channel chatbots to automate conversations, lead generation, and sales. Peasy Sales is a customer engagement platform for marketing. Check broadcast-rich interactive WhatsApp promos. Check chatbot to qualify new leads. Check send automatic WhatsApp to reduce cart abandonment. Check cross-selling, push notification. Check multi-channel drip marketing to nurture leads, sales. Check use a single, centralized inbox for your entire team. Check assign contacts to agents automatically. Check improve agents' productivity with automation. Check up-to-date agent and sales report without performance penalty. Support. Check contextual and relevant help articles to automate support. Check multi-channel customer support chatbots. Check real-time CSAT and SA resolution time and count report. Peasy Sales automates messaging, lead qualification, appointments, and follow-ups to help you close more deals and build relationships. With Peasy Sales, you can create multi-channel chatbots for WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Telegram, and more without coding. This platform offers workflow templates for outreach, lead generation, and appointments. You can also create custom chatbots that automate any sales workflow in a few clicks. Peasy Sales can automatically connect inbound leads to sales reps based on predefined rules. It can also segment contacts by attribute or label and auto-reply or assign bots when a new event is triggered. Peasy Sales integrates with third-party APIs like Calendly to book calls and create reservations directly in chat. It also integrates with Google Calendar and WhatsApp, allowing you to embed an appointment scheduling system in your chatbot. You can automate appointment confirmations and reminders via WhatsApp to ensure that customers don't miss appointments. The ongoing message scheduler automates follow-ups and drives repeat sales, keeping your list warm. Peasy Sales makes it easy to build custom chatbots that can tackle your marketing, sales, and support tasks without coding. Get lifetime access to Peasy Sales today. Alert! Most deals are out of stock within a week of coming to AppSumo, so take it now if you need it. Why are you let? Get lifetime access to Peasy Sales today. One-time purchase of $59 only. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you.